Tools: bowl, spoon, plate, knife, vessel, cutting board, frying pan. Ingredients: pepper, salt, garlic, fried onion, egg, and potato. The first step is to cut the potatoes. The second step is to fry the potatoes with garlic. The third step, puree the fried onion, garlic, and fried potato. Step 4, add salt and pepper. The fifth step is to add 1 egg. The sixth step, shape the dough into a flat round. The seventh step is dip in the beaten egg and fry until golden brown. Potato cakes are ready to be enjoyed.